Jenny Michael min Jack if you can roll your sama. Jenny Michael min Jack so come fair na hat. Hook me gosh the one you can hear a shot the hall of foot. Then how she curie gonna from the till off and high. Hook me done a pale a who's a fun to do me wish a gosh and how she gear to grow and else the thing in hand.
Fisker ma. Am biog. Fisker ma. Jiha giri.
Jiha agad.
Sho.
Tea, coffee, brisketchen, broth, fiol, agus bandata.
Andhalacht broth.
Stel broth.
Kjerst guljor.
Broth, fiol, agus bandata.
Kjerst guljor. Fiol agus bandata.
Agus coffee.
Vill giri coffee tu?
Chanil, ha mi gyrru banya agus siwgr awn sa coffee.
Gleva.
Agus brisketchen.
Gleva. Broth. Fiol agus bandata. Coffee gal le sjúchgur agus brisketchen.
Bishin ma, han tachgris aram.
Vill en tachgrisorst?
Han tachgris aram. Ha an tachgris aram, I am hungry. Can show. Ha an tachgris aram. Ha an tachgris aram. Aram means on me, so ha an tachgris aram, there is hunger on me. A bil an tachgris orst, is there hunger on you? Orst on you. A bil an tachgris orst, are you hungry? A bil an tachgris orst.
Vill en tachgrisorst?
Ha an tachgris aram. Va mi trang a gopir an sa vu an ju.
Gleva. Roka triana aan se vu.
Charo, va I ag an tai. Ach, bi I an sio ag leir an jay a tri. Ti'n oer a ha,
Ha fichit minute en jay a tree. Oh, sin Katriana. Kimara hau a Katriana?
Ha, gymad tachblef. Cemar har sio pein?
Gleva. Ha kota oer ost.
Ha, gwyjaraf. Ha cota ŵr oram.
ha caught oor aram. There's a new coat on me, or I have a new coat on. Stelle me, so shears a chatriana, agus cwriad o chofta.
Ha mi geri cwp y tŷ y hun.
Chanil ti acum. Ha ekol oram.
Hanel tŷ iagad.
Chanil ha ekol oram.
Ha ickle aram, I'm afraid. Can show. Ha ickle aram. Aram, remember, means on me. So, ha ickle aram, there is fear on me. I'm afraid. Not in the sense of being frightened, but just in the apologetic sense. I've no tea, I'm afraid. Chanil tea acum ha ickle aram.
Chanil ti acum. Ha ekol oram.
Hanel tŷ iagad.
Chanil ha ekol oram.
Jay hagad.
Coffee, banya,
Glefa, har gael coffi.
coffee.
Siag, har gael coffi le banya.
Har go, give me. Har give, har go, give to me or give me. Can show. Har go. Har go. Hard go. Give to me. Hard go. That's the commanding form of the verb, although a polite form would be an tar ugo, which is will you give me? An tar ugo. Can show. An tar ugo.
Har go an coffee?
Che?
Oh, ha mi dúlich. An har go an coffee?
Coffee? Le banya?
A heap.
Heisacum. An brocht.
A heen Fuirich minute.
Fuirich minute.
Sure, Fuirich minute.
Fuirich minute. Wait a minute.
A heen Fuirich minute.
Chan muringo. Ha mi trang.
A heen, trot an show.
Ha mi trang. Chan muringo.
Vairad, ha Keili an sa varen nog. A vil ut a wan.
Bí mi gopir. Chan nurin go. Chan nurin go. I can't.
Sin an brocht aket.
Tapela.
A heen Fuirich minute.
Ha mi trang. Chan muringo.
I can't. Chan nurin go. Can show. Chan nurin go. Chan nurin go. Chan nurin go. I can't. And of course, I can is surin go. Both of these phrases contain go, which you've met before in hard go, give to me. Go is a form of though, which usually means to. Chan nurin go, I can't. Surin go, I can. Surin go, I can show. Surin go. Có ha sjöin ag chéili an noch.
Ha mis a shein.
An nurin gocht sjöin. An nurin gocht sjöin. Can you sing? An nurin gocht sjöin.
Surin. Surin go shein. Ha mis a shein a Keili an nog. An der ut a shein.
Chan nurin go sjöin.
Sin an coffee aket.
Tach belacht.
Qua sein ag chéli an moch.
Ha Katriana a sjöin ag chéili.
An murin gucht sein.
An nurin gocht. Can you? Try it. An nurin gocht. An nurin gocht. Can you? When you're using I can, surin go, or I can't, chant nurin go, in reply to a question, those replies are shortened to surin, I can, or chan nurin, I can't.
An murin gucht sein.
Surin.
Ha mi fawav.
Fuirich minute heen.
Chan muringo.
Fuirich room.
Vairad. Fuirich room.
Fuirich room. Wait for me. Can show. Fuirich room.
Vairad. Fuirich room.
Ha mi fawa.
Fuirich room. Ha mi doch call the root.
Call the youth with you. Can show. Call the youth. Call the youth with you. Youth is a combination of ri and u. Fuirich room, wait for me. Room is a combination of ri and me. We've been dealing with prepositions today. Let's go over them again. Oram, on me, orst, on you.
A bhfuil an tachras ort,
Hal, han tachtas oram.
chanil skilin acum ha yukul aram.
Then there was go and gut. Hard go, give to me, and an nurin gut, can you?
Har gott att spara. En nurin gut shine.
Can you sing? Then we had room and Ruth. Fuirich room, wait for me, and call the Ruth with you.
Fuirich room, ha mi fall af call the root.
Cautje vil ut da,
Ha mi fall af call the root. Cautje vil us het al.
ha mi dolt on cheli.
Geleva, ha mi fall af call the root.
Notice what happens with the preposition tho, too, when it's used with the word for the. An céili, the céili. Don chéili, to the céili. In other words, the tho and an are run together to form don, and céili is aspirated. We'll go over these expressions again and introduce 4 new words. Gulior, which means enough or plenty. You've met it already as part of ceart gulior, right enough. There's cúteach, which means also cúteach. Then tuileach, more or any more, tuileach. And finally, curson, meaning why, curson. Gaft o fiag.
Ha nurin go.
Chan nurin gut. Curson.
Ha nil skien agus fork acum. Har go skien agus forka.
Che?
Mi tulich. Da shub go skien agus forka.
A velu galt o fiag.
Chanil mi giri biog.
Curson.
Chanil an tachras aram.
Curson.
Jaf mi gulior.
Chat o gafu gulior.
Han tachtas oram. Ha mi kiri tulip en data.
Tuliupen data, kerst gulior, nien va. Chanir tuliuch beda dakam ha ekolora.
Ha mi kiri chocolate. Ha mi dalt an vu. En beshin kerst geleor.
Bi.
Ha mi si dolt an vu cúteach.
Ussa kutjach. Gaf do viag.
Jaf mi gulior.
Oh, kerst gulior.
Ha mi fall af.
Fuirich rum,
Gerson.
ha mi dolt cála dút. Da sif gan fichid skilin.
Chanurun go. Chanir gulior akam. We'll take another look at Hargo and Untargo in the film sequence. This week, the conversation sequences are from Sky.
Hallo, Cymru Hawl and you.
Come on.
Diaw Giri.
Had got pinch.
And Raw like a Haley, right?
Back clever.
Raw like a Haley.
Vai call the Alsted.
Call the Alsted. Well. Shouldn't have fiend.
Taflat. Wel biogaget.
Ha, vil a dachgesost.
Jacket.
Ha fialu like a salad acum.
Clever, had got shin. Oh, for the minute. Dat go brocht kujak.
Gaan het brocht acum ha je colaram.
Kerst galor. Gin hashin.
Ha nog dag is tegen skilling.
Clever. Schnee.
Dag blacht.
Migration is an ever-present strand in the life of the Highlands and Islands. In the mid-18th century, agricultural changes linked to the destruction of the clan system produced a wave of migration into the towns of lowland Scotland and out across the seas to the colonies. But for the Highlander, there is a strong identification with his homeland, and many songs have been written expressing this longing to return. This song sings of Uist, fragrant Uist of the bright flowers, and contrasts it with the harsh cold of Manitoba.
O Maguhis tu her mother, who is churi urnengalan, farm feistin at den Juasle, farm tuol the vaki galain. Chi the vurain, chi den jorn, chi sem palta hulle shoshu, farm bine kille noke, gavaloran skolen jamme. Hikiat hukin karach scholte, gusar mialig faren jolish, maliat gin Manitoba, du ich uar gun vol gun vonje. Harik mi lesse vigaische, nu de reker saune hier, saure garich faver shival, gaurig faten drachije. Namig akem hin das Doras, da jesche dich pervragen, agus marige vinam foche, saune ruisch die an in schole. O maguhigst du, Herr Mother, uisch churi urnengalan, farm feichten den Juasle, farm tuol the vaki galain.
Alistair Matheson is an exile living in Glasgow. His song, Uist Mograi, tells how the machers of Uist remain in his mind. He, at least, is able to make the journey from Glasgow, which those earlier exiles could not.
O shein mi tanto ilin mograi, brenduer mi mar voor vamlen vast, parem bi mochrie kujerig mola, an an jelen neisten jorne. Het zat volgat mi ilin mograi, zahan ik mi Glasgow sa rein mi an O shein mi tanto willen mograi, prenduer min mar voor vamnen vast, parem bi mochrie kujerig mola, an an jelen neisten jorne.
Anisha, na Bonnigan, ha Alistair a falav a tai iain.
Fylw falav, Alistair.
Ha, Ian, ha, Galaram.
Cyrson.
Ha, sagit Gershon.
Hach Fuirich cóðarin ha cast go leor.
Han jelle kjast galjoria. Ha sin je trott. Ha me hina ges elle je trott. Smar sin chan nôr o'n ffyddoch sio yn eisiau.
Har gat de waf. Tappelet.
Cym ar y had o'ch asi.
Ma chas, han e liwam sech maidjir heikel aram.
Wel, yn siari o ian, agos tappelat.
Ach, a sin kjast gyljor.
Det nu er det hei.
Lier joi nui. Kun je daxi, tjien?
Har vi fatte. Sio yn eisiau. Siari o ian.
Cheerio, Alistair. Cheerio, Alistair.
Yn, y ga, agus y tri. Siol.
O, hayat bria. Bonnet yerak. Bonnet fwya agus. Bonnet wanya. Bonnet yn tarsten.
Bonnet yn tarsten.
Hayat bria. Stalem at y gol.
Bonnet fwya, bonnet gerac, agus bonnet wanya. Tri bonnet yn tarsten. Jet y fech ganna.
Chattelemiad idir.
Chatyletiad.
Chattel, haegel oram.
Cyrson.
Stelem cló.
Agus tarsten.
Tarstain, dwni tourists. Chattelem idiri.
Wel, bysinne y genef bonnet yn tarsten yn eisiau.
Co,
Eli, mihin, agus usa.
misje?
Sieg, usa.
Bi misje genif bakig yn cló.
Cha fi ha eicol aram.
Corsion.
Cha fi sy'n y gwbydd le cló tyliw.
G?
Fi sy'n y gwbydd le tarsten. Bonnet yn tarsten.
Chafi misje y gwbyr i'r bonnet yn tarstain.
Cymra ha Alistair.
Chan je li sacamsa.
Chan le gobydd yn diwydydd.
Fa mi hin agus Alistair y trot.
O? Cyrson y fe fy trot.
Chan je li sacam. Fa na caset sa gyr o ord.
Yn dod gala fe?
Hai falaf yn jiw.
Ca ti fel a ffwrwch yn eisiau?
Am sa hotel? Chan je li sacamsa.
Fi a cert giliawr am sa hotel.
Wel, ha mi si Jennifer party ag gyfle yn ŵr.
Party, ja?
A fel si fi gyr i ti nawn?
Ha, gydgeraf, Eli.
Fi sy'n ma, stylwm partien. Jen wedd y hai.
Hai lihir yn je i jich.
O hamish y falaf gachi.
Fuirich yn sio nog. Han el Alistair fuirich yn sio nishtitje. Gala fe'n jiw. Han el tjien yn sio tuli.
Gyderaf ych atri yn y ffwrich color yn y nog.
Yn fi sy'n cert giliawr.
Bi, gyjaraf. Del si fi gyr i caset.
Ha, gyderaf.
Jiw, gyr i chatriene.
Runrig, stylwm yn gaset dŵr achga.
Ha chwyr mi ro ard i jere. Ha iklan cybi ili trod. Stum eisiau fuirich as hotel color i Alistair.
Doen te veel, Ian. Doen te veel. Program 9, we had a number of colloquial expressions which are in common use. For example, ha an tachgras aram, I'm hungry.
Brocht, fiol agus bundhata, coffee gal le siúchgar, agus brisketchen.
Bishin ma, han tachgras aram.
A villain tachgras ort.
Ha an tachgras aram. Ha an tachgras aram, I am hungry. Can show. Ha an tachgras aram. Ha an tachgras aram. Aram is on me. It's a form of er. Ost is on you. So, are you hungry would be a vil an tachgras ost. Can show. A vil an tachgras ost. We also had oram as part of the expression. Ha ikkel oram. There is fear on me, I'm afraid. It's usually used only in an apologetic sense, of course. Stelle me. Sui shears a chatriene, agus curriat the hoofde.
Ha mi geri cwp y tŷ y hun.
Chanil tí acum, ha ekel aram.
Chanel tŷ jacket.
Chanil ha ekel aram.
Ha ikkel oram. I'm afraid. Can show. Ha ikkel oram. So, two uses of oram there. Han tachgras oram, I'm hungry, and ha ikkel oram, I'm afraid. Now, two expressions containing go, which means to me, and gut, which means to you. First, hoid go, give me, give to me.
Tje hacket.
Coffee, banje,
Gleva har got coffee.
coffee.
Shag har got coffee le banje.
Hoid go. And chan nurin go, which means I can't. And nurin gut means can you, and surin go means I can. Let's revise it. This extract begins with Fuirich minute, which means wait a minute.
Heim, vorig minute.
Chan nuringo, ha mi trang.
Heim, troten show.
Ha mi trang, chan nuringo.
Weirat, ha Kelian se waren nog. Wil u te waan?
Bi mi gopir. Chan nurin go. Chan nurin go. I can't.
Shin brocht aket.
Tapela.
Heim, vorig minute.
Ha mi trang, chan nuringo.
Chan nurin go. Surin go. I can. Can show. Surin go. And of course, there's the short forms surin, I can, and chanurin, I can't, which you use in answer to a question. We also had two uses of room, which means to me, or in some cases, with me or for me. Fuirich room is wait for me, and call the room is with me. Call the Ruth is with you.
An nurin gut shein.
Surin?
Ha mi falav.
Fuirich minute him.
Chan nuringo.
Fuirich room.
Weirat, vorig room.
Fuirich room. Wait for me. Can show. Fuirich room.
Rhaid, Fuirich rhwm,
Hami falaf.
Fuirich rhwm, ham I dal cael y rhywt.
Call the youth with you. Can show. Call the youth. We also had do, too, in the expression don Gàidhlig. In the case of this preposition do and one or two others, the word for the becomes n, apostrophe n, rather than a apostrophe. Well, hami falaf, hami dot don Gàidhlig, fisker ma.